These trying times, we will always recognize the men and women on the front lines working to keep us safe. And today is National Doctors Day. We are celebrating the contributions of physicians across the coastal bend. And joining us once again in the second hour of our show is Dr. Osbert Blow, the Christus Spohn President and Chief Medical Officer. Dr. Blow, thank you so much again for joining us. And I want to ask, these are men and women who are doing everything they can to provide for us. What motivates your employees and other physicians around the coastal bend and across the country to perform these just selfless acts?
I think in one word, Jeff, it's called a calling. We all gravitate towards what we are called to do. And I know without a doubt, after seeing the heroic acts of my physician colleagues and entire community galvanizing itself around combating a pandemic during a year where we also had a couple of hurricanes, some refinery incidences, as well as a deep freeze. Each person was called to do their part to serve their community, have a strong sense of community. And so an important component of all of those entities coming together as one to preserve our community, the physician base. The physician base works tirelessly. My colleagues, I couldn't be more proud of them. As a trauma surgeon, I'm proud of them. And as the Chief Medical Officer and President of this health system, I'm so proud to be associated with this fine group of physicians in the coastal bend. I do want to pause just a brief moment of silence for some that we've lost. And they provide a tremendous service that we will never forget.
Dr. Blow, I'll wrap up with this question. And again,
I also want to recognize those who, in their service, put themselves in harm's way and actually contracted COVID-19 and fortunately recovered. And for that, we owe them a tremendous debt of gratitude. And those who continue to work tirelessly, and their families, let's not forget their families who support them day in, day out so that they can be there for us in our community. And I know without the support of my family, I couldn't do what I do. And I think it's just really important that we acknowledge that without the family support, the physician base, our community galvanizing, there's no way Christus Spohn would have been first to testing, first to teachers' vaccine. Sitting, as I stand here before you, we've given out 75,000 vaccines to our coastal bend community. During the COVID surge, we were able to take care of 2,000 of the coastal bend afflicted by COVID-19 and continued to do so. The light at the end of this tunnel, however, is as we have also rolled out with the physician support, the monoclonal antibody therapy at the Dr. Hector P. Garcia Family Academic Center, we are able to just continually and repeatedly combat this disease through the tireless commitment of our physician base and all of our healthcare colleagues and our entire community and our political officials and public servants. So really a wonderful moment to be part of the coastal bend community.
Dr. Blow, you just answered all the questions, and we appreciate you taking the time during your extremely busy day. And from all of us here at Chris 6 News, we want to thank your employees and all the physicians and frontline workers who have been working tirelessly day in and day out for the last year, keeping us safe. Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you.